Put on clothes.
Very right. Put on clothes. Absolutely right. Okay. Stand for. What do you mean by stand for? This is a phrase.
स्टैंड
I can
फॉर
speak a
मतलब
sentence.
किसी की बात के साथ सहमति देना.
Yes, stand for is also used for representing somebody. For example, if I say these letters seem to be an abbreviation, do you know what they stand for? जैसे abbreviations होते हैं ना? Sometimes we use abbreviations MLA. So we ask like this, like, what do they represent or what do they stand for? कि क्या represent कर रहे हैं, वो क्या show कर रहे हैं?
शो कर रहे हैं.
Yes, show कर रहे हैं या represent कर रहे हैं. So we can use this in that sense also. That I would say that MLA abbreviation is written in front of me. Could you please tell me what is the what do they stand for? ये क्या represent कर रहे हैं, ये क्या show कर रहे हैं, या इसका what exactly do they stand for? तो अब इस sense में भी use कर सकते हो stand for, okay? As a phrase. One more. कपड़े पहनने को तो आपने कह दिया put on. आप remove कर रहे हो तो
Put off.
take off.
टेक ऑफ.
Take off is also used to depart from any place. Generally flight से भी जब हम निकलते हैं तब भी take off use करते हैं. So take off is used for two senses. First, when you're departing from somewhere, जब आप कहीं से निकल रहे हैं, या फिर when you're removing clothes. For both you can use, right? One more. Okay. When I talk about, for an instance, you are fond of eating too much. So what will it be called? You're fond of eating too much. You like to eat a lot. The people who like to eat a lot are called as?
क्रेविंग.
No. Glutton. This is the word here. Glutton. People who are fond of eating a lot.
Eating a lot.
Yes. Murder of a human being is called, this is important because nowadays I have seen in 2 or 3 web series this word, so I thought to share it with you. Murder of a human being is called murder of a human being. So it is called as homicide. Now, one more thing I would like to mention here, homicide department is also there when we talk about police department. So in police department, there is a department which is specially created for homicide. So this is the reason you should understand this word कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ सारे वही case file किए जाते हैं in which murder of a human being is involved. All right.
Yes.
Enough for today. What is the homework? Listen carefully. The PDF that I have sent to you, discuss with each other. If you don't want to discuss, that is also fine. Read out one story, each one of you, and tomorrow we'll be starting the class with this itself. You'll be narrating that story in your own words.
Ma'am, which story?
The PDF which I have sent to you, if you would have opened it. All right. And what you can do is Neetuji is going to prepare the first story. Geetuji will be preparing the second story. Why to get confused? right? So first story will be spoken by Neetuji and second will be spoken by Yeetuji. And one more thing, please keep that in mind. Tomorrow, be very alert while listening because you both will be picking out each other's mistake. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.